In these legal series, I would like to talk the verdict of the Supreme Court of India currently on two matters. One it is electoral bond, another one is appointment of election commissioner, two commissioners. Recently, one of the election commissioner resigned. Following it, in the panel formed has also gathered and met and decided and took the decision on the appointment of the two election commissioner. And also on the electoral bond issues, on the basis of there's also application of some parties, petitioners, the Supreme Court of India decided and also issued order to the State Bank of India, who is the authorized person to issue the electoral bonds, to give the transparency. So State Bank of India provided, as per order of the Supreme Court of India, all the electoral bonds, their numbers also. So the political parties, I think, have not misused this fund. The accounts are very clear, all are under the law. They have the accounts and they have the expenditure accounts also. Income and expenditure are necessary for any law. So which is very clear, and it will give us also complete strength to the political parties to gather more funds in the form of the electoral bonds. It is not a hiding factors. It is very transparent. But to make it a transparent, the Supreme Court order is helping it. So the transparency is proving the electoral bonds are very clear. They are being used by the political parties. But completely, I think it's a tax paid. So which are very helpful under the law. But nothing new has been found in this verdict. At the same time, so now isn't really appointment of the election commissioner or against the law. Some petitioners have filed the plea. The Supreme Court is issuing the notice to the sender regarding the appointment. The central government has submitted the affidavit and stating that the election commissioner appointment are not against law. So the panel convened for it, gathered and decided the appointments which are necessary to run the Rasaso election. In running the election, after announcement of the Rasaso election date, the Supreme Court has to take a more cautious steps to interfere in this process, and which will create a more interference and also negativism, which can be avoided, which are the most reason Supreme Court interfere two issues which are being also publicized by the medias in the nationwide. But I think it's not necessary. Thank you.